Perform experiment inverting amplifier. According to the manual, here is procedure and circuit diagram. Follow the step by step and perform the experiment. Now first of all, switch on the instrument and now connect DC variable power supply 5 volt. Connect to voltmeter, positive to positive, negative to negative. First of all, 1 volt input set on meter, and now remove the patch cords first, and after connect the circuit. IC pin number 2, connect 1 kilo ohm resistance and other resistance of part positive supply. Connect. And pin number 2 goes the lead RF 10 kilo ohm resistance and other resistance of 10 kilo ohm. Connect to op-amp 6 number output. Connect here, and now 3 number pin connect to ground. And ground pin to connect DC supply negative to goes. And after output connect to voltmeter, negative to negative, positive to positive first of all. And here output is negative. Show the meter because 3 number is negative of supply, and change the output leads negative, positive and positive to negative. And now output is here 10 volt, and here is formula V in RF oblique R1. RF 10 kilo ohm resistance R1 1 kilo ohm. And other experiment perform non-inverting amplifier. Now experiment perform on kit non-inverting amplifier. Here is circuit and here procedure. Follow the step by step and perform the experiment. Now switch on the instrument and connect. First of all, DC power supply connect to voltmeter, negative to negative, positive to positive. First of all, 1 volt set on input 1 volt, and remove the patch cords, and now connect the circuit. Pin number 2 connect to 1 kilo ohm resistance and other 1 kilo ohm resistance to negative socket of DC power supply. Ground to connect negative socket to power supply, and 3 pin connect DC 5 volt variable power supply connect. And now one lead of 2 pin IC number, connect 10 kilo ohm resistance RF. Second part 10 ohm kilo resistance, connect to output 6 number of IC 741, and output connected voltmeter, connect the output. And now see the voltage here. Note down the output. Here is formula. V in 1 plus RF oblique R1 is experiment performed of non-inverting amplifier. And after another experiment performed according to the manual. As a op-amp, as a adder, all experiment perform the kit. Subtractor, differentiator according to the manual. Op-amp as a integrator, summing amplifier, full experiment on kit. Thank you.